Good morning everyone and welcome to our virtual morning tea. This morning I'm going to be making an apple pie smoothie. Absolutely delicious, one of my favourite smoothies. So what you'll need is one apple, a banana not too ripe and not too raw. You can use frozen bananas as well if you want it really cold. A medjool date, I've already taken the pip out, but if you don't have dates it's okay, you can use maple syrup. You're going to need some cinnamon and some nutmeg, some milk. I prefer almond milk. Also, I'm lactose intolerant, that's why I go for almond milk. And some ginger. I actually love ginger, so I've taken a nice big slice of this one. And of course, your trusty blender switched on from the switch this time. Great. So, start off by chopping up your apple into just chunks. I love apples. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, and I pretty much, live by that. I love having apples. If you can see in the background, I made an apple pie this morning. So I've got an apple pie later on for dessert. So just chop up the apples into chunks. And then once you've chopped them up into chunks, you can put them in the blender. They don't have to be, just fairly big chunks. They don't have to be small. And I like red apples, so my family loves Pink Delicious apples, so I'm using Pink Lady apples, not Red Delicious, Pink Lady. So stick the apples into the blender, fantastic. Peel a banana and chop the banana up. I also love bananas, another one of my favourite fruits, apples and bananas and oranges, I love all of them. I also like blueberries, but I'll tell you about that another day. So chop up your banana into the blender, great. And you'll put in your date. Now, like I said, if you don't like dates or you don't have dates, you can use maple syrup instead. You'll need about a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I just put how much you like, and also some nutmeg. And usually just a pinch of nutmeg. So if I can open this up, pinch of nutmeg, maybe a little bit more than a pinch for me. And of course, half a cup of your milk. As I said, I like almond milk, and I particularly like this brand. It's called Nutty Bruce. I really like this brand, though there's not much almonds in these almond milks that you buy from the shops. Beautiful. Put the lid on, set it going. The most important ingredient, the ginger. So I've taken a slice of my ginger, and I really love ginger, so I will just cut this up into little chunks. Now it depends, if you don't like ginger you can leave it out, but I love it, so I'm going to stick a fair bit in mine. Blend it again. And that should be enough. The banana makes it really smooth, so if you feel like it's too thick you can add more milk. But I actually like it quite smooth. Let me just taste this. This looks fantastic. So this I sometimes use as a substitute for breakfast if I don't have time to have breakfast. Let me just have a taste. Absolutely delicious. If you love apples and you love bananas and you love ginger, this you have to make. Enjoy the rest of the showcase and enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed our virtual morning tea. Bye everyone.